guys, Dr. Bob here. We've been getting a lot of questions about elbow pain recently, especially from our patients who are either working from home and spending a little more time on their PC or like to play PC video games. So we're going to talk about something that can commonly be called mouse elbow, but really involves pain on either the outside or less commonly with computer use on the inside of the elbow. Now this is something that where the pain occurs can be dependent on the sensitivity of the mouse that we're using. We're going to talk about 3 things that you can do to help reduce your symptoms. The first 2 are kind of a band-aid for it. To get you some pain relief. The easiest one that you can do is you can purchase at CVS or Walgreens or one of these places a wrist brace that's actually just going to be like a tight band that'll wrap around the forearm, and what that's going to do is take pressure off of the tendon so that there's less inflammation. The second one that you can do is take like a lacrosse ball or a tennis ball, and you're going to pick the area just further down in the forearm from where the pain is actually occurring, and you can do some deep self-massage. Now, this type of work does not necessarily have to be painful to get the effective results that we want. So we want to use the other hand and apply pressure, and as you see, I'm rolling deep through here, but I'm not getting all the way up into the area that might be irritated. If it's on the inside of the elbow, likewise, you're going to do the same type of thing, and you're going to be focusing on that other area there. The third thing that you can do, and this is more of a long-term type of fix, what you're going to do is take like a small hand weight or like a weighted ball, and you're going to do something that we call negatives or eccentric exercises. This can help heal the tendon. What you're going to do, if the pain is on the outside of the elbow, is grab that weight in the hand like this, prop it up on a table or a desk, and you're going to slowly lower the weight down. Use your other hand to bring it back up, and then you're going to lower it down again. This is something we do for reps, and if the pain is on the inside of the elbow, we're going to likewise do that in a different position, just like this, lowering the weight down using the other hand to bring it up. Because if we just go back and forth like this, all we're doing is aggravating the tendon more. So give these tips a shot, let us know, and if this pain persists, give us a call.